Today we're going to be telling you how to add additional APN settings to the R20K-L. Okay, let's log in to the AK Partner app. Once we're logged in, go to Me, then Bluetooth LTE setup. Here it asks you for the MAC address of the R20K-L. You can either type this in or press on the square button on the right hand side and scan the QR code. Now let's click confirm. Once you've confirmed, it will log into the R20K-L and we can add additional APN settings by clicking the top right plus icon. Okay, here we're going to add the Astro Mobile APN settings as our example. For the name, this can be anything, it's just a descriptive name. So we'll type Astro Mobile. Using the APN settings from Astro Mobile's website, we'll then add the APN details in. For the APN type, this is normally default, so just type default and then click submit. Perfect, we're all done. Now just reboot your R20K-L.
As easy as that. Just remember, we've also got the Akuvox Support Hub online. If you've got any further questions, comment below or maybe give us a video idea for next time.